Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have this Affresh washing machine cleaner. This helps remove cuts, odors, residues, and grime that your loads leave behind. Alright, so right here we have the Affresh. This helps remove all the odors that are inside your washing machine. If you've done a lot of laundry like I have, and your washing machine just starts to smell pungent, stinky, and it gets rid of all the grime. So this will clean even where you can't see. So this helps cleans inside your washing pump, valve, basket, drum, and wash tub, agitator, filter, and drain hose. So this does have a time release tablets. Time release tablets are specifically formulated to dissolve slowly throughout the entire wash, which the one I got, they weren't even tablets, they were more of a powder. So these are recommended for all wash machines, especially if you have the HE wash machines. These are EPA Safe Choice Certified ingredients that are septic tank safe. So right here it just tells you how to use it to remove, replace, select septic tank safe. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open them up. This one does come with a pack of 6. So they do say that it is a tablet, which what I received was more of a powder. So you can see that there's no tablet here. It's more of a powder, which is okay because it works just as well. After all, it does break down the same. So you got a few more in here. Again, this one is not a tablet. It's more of a powder. And on the side of the package, it says you need to use one of these once a month to help keep up your washing machine. So here you can mark each month that you've used it. So this comes with 6. So this is a 6 month of supply. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this inside the washer. And we're going to set it to the clean cycle. So let's move on right here and move it into the washer. So I'm just going to dump it off in here. Like I said before, mine was not a tablet. It was more of a powder. So just dump it in there like that. Make sure you get all of the powder in there. This is designed to penetrate, dissolve, and remove odor-causing residue that's occur in all wash machines. So my wash machine says tub clean. I don't know what other wash machines say, so you want to make sure you want to clean the wash machine itself. So this says the formulated tablets dissolve slowly, lasting throughout the entire wash cycle and breaking up residue better than bleach. I've used bleach, I've used vinegar. And then after using this, I definitely would say I would continue to use this because it gets all the way into there. So this is safe for front-loading wash machines and top-loading wash machines. These are high efficiency and controversial washers. Use once a month to keep your machine fresher and cleaner. So as you can see, my wash machine is sensing the load. So it's going to do a shake a few times. Then what it's going to do is it's going to start putting in water. So now it's adding the water in there. In fact, I've used this twice already and my washer smells fantastic. It smells like the day I've purchased it. And the water after cleaning this was so filthy. As you can see right here, after cleaning this, my water came out a lot cleaner, and even cleaned the plastic part up in the front, got all the hair and the dirty debris that's in this right here. Some machines, it shows a lot of suds, depending on what kind of wash machine you have. This one had some suds, not awfully a lot, but it had enough to clean up all these crevices. As you can see right here, it's getting in here. So my tub works for about an hour and a half when it goes into the cleaning the tub. So now that it's done finishing cleaning up, you can see that it's sparkling fresh, nice. It smells fantastic. The tub itself is clean. There is no residue. There is no greasy stuff left behind. It's just nice and clean and fresh as the day I bought it. I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for something to clean your wash machine, I would recommend Affresh. It does do the job and it does it well.